Hello, Web.
Pumpkin Attack, and we're on our continued mission to cheer up pumpkins.
No, puffins.
Yes, puffins, that's it. So we're going to cheer up puffins by teaching them how to bake a Sussex pumpkin pie. So a little bit different to the normal pumpkin pie you've probably seen before.
Right, and we're going to post that recipe at the end of this video, so stay tuned.
All right, we're in a bit of a hurry, so let's get baking.
Yes, teach those puffins how to bake.
Into this, there's a variety of ways. We're going to use most of this pumpkin, so easiest way probably is just going to cut it in half and then we can scoop the insides out. There's different ways. Well, that's quite hard there, so we might have to cut around it a little bit.
The puffin looks very interested.
He probably looks concerned, to be honest.
You're not wielding a big knife.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're scraping out all the seeds. Here we go, like this.
It's quite a messy job, isn't it?
It's quite a messy job, but the puffin...
The puffin, not the pumpkin.
Not the pumpkin. The puffin's really enjoying those seeds, as you can see. It's taking great interest. And what's really interesting here, fun fact, is that you can eat all of a puffin. You can eat the flour.
All of the pumpkin.
Oh, no. Eat all of the pumpkin. The seeds, the flesh, the skin, the flour, the stem, all of it can be eaten, but not in a pumpkin pie.
I'm going to cut it into smaller cubes.
And
it's a little bit easier than just to chop down. Make sure you keep your fingers wet out the blade, like that. So then you keep quite a lot of the flesh.
So now you can see the puffin is being shown how to have knife skills on a pumpkin. It's going to very carefully cut. Go on then, puffin. Oh, I think I'll call it a pumpkin again. Go on, little puffin. There, you see the puffin is learning well. Here it is, all chopped up in a mixing bowl ready. Next, you want to chop up some apples.
Ooh.
Oh. Good job.
Yeah.
Excellent job at stirring there.
Yeah, look at all that apple with peel on. I don't know.
Puffin's very happy. Done it stirring. We're now going to add sultanas. In they go. Oh, see, the puffin is definitely helping here. Definitely. Oh, look, a big chunk of sultanas. They're obviously very fresh. I want to add in a little bit of ground ginger. Should be a level teaspoon, just for any of those people out there interested in baking this pie. But if you like your spice, just chuck it in. That's what I say. The next bit of the recipe is just a little nutmeg. So, you know, anything goes with that one. We're going to have 6 tablespoons of sugar. And as you can see, the puffins have gotten very interested in this part of the recipe. No surprises there, but puffins don't eat it until it's ready. Oh, I've forgotten to count. Puffins are happy. Can you see how happy they are? We're so happy. Everyone mixing together. Look at them all mixing together.
I think we might need a montage. A little water is what the recipe says. I'm going to add a little water. How much a little water is?
I've no idea.
Well, it's a lot less than a lot. That's probably loads, isn't it?
Pop some pastry over the top.
Remember me as the west wind moves among the fields of barley. You'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we walk in fields of gold. So she took her love for to gaze a while upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as a hair came down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? We'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we lie in fields of gold. See the west wind move like a lover so among the fields of barley. Feel her body rise as you kiss her mouth among the fields of gold. I never made promises lightly, and there have been some that I've broken, but I swear in the days still left we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk in fields of gold. Many years have passed since those summer days among the fields of barley. See the children run as the sun goes down among the fields of gold. You'll remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You can tell the sun in his jealous sky when we walked in fields of gold. As we walked in fields of gold. When we walked in fields of gold.
So 40 minutes later and the pie is cooked, and it looks like it's already very popular with the puffins. So I hope you enjoyed this very special Puffin Pumpkin Pie edition of Puffin Attack.
And did you spot the pastry puffin? Don't forget to like and subscribe.